G'day everybody and welcome to Big Dreams. I'm Jamie, and if you're new to the channel, it'd be awesome if you subscribed. Don't forget to hit that notification button for new videos. Today we're going over Incredicoaster fun facts. So, let's get down to business. The Incredicoaster is super fast, the fastest attraction at Disneyland Resort. The Incredicoaster zooms across more than 6,000 feet of track, almost 1 1/8 miles, making it the longest coaster at Disneyland Resort. As your vehicles prepare to launch, guests on the Incredicoaster experience a water effect. It's Speedy Dash running across the water, setting up the storyline of the race to catch his little brother Jack Jack. It took 8 people to haul the Mr. Incredible figure up the coaster track to his final position on the Incredicoaster in the second tube. The super elusive baby Jack Jack appears 19 times throughout the attraction. Music from the Incredicoaster was created by Academy Award-winning composer Michael Giacchino, who also scored music for The Incredibles and The Incredibles 2 films. He also wrote the original music inspired by The Incredibles for the queue area of the Incredicoaster. The largest show figure on the Incredicoaster is tough to miss. It's 1,800 pounds. To fit it in its spot, this figure had to be lowered with the crane before the building was enclosed. The triangular roofline at the load area was drawn on a napkin during a Pixar animation studios, and that's what was built. All of the Incredible Park is a play on triangles and circles with a mid-century modern style. Artist Teddy Newton worked with Walt Disney Imagineers to create a mural for the Incredicoaster load area. The artwork on the wall of Jack Jack's Cookie Num Nums kiosk, and the arch entry of Incredibles Park, one of the 4 neighbourhoods in Pixar Pier. These designs feature a bold, abstract, hyper-coloured style to contrast with the monotones of mid-century modern architecture in the rest of the neighbourhood. Newton was a character designer on The Incredibles and the writer on the Pixar short Jack Jack Attack, an inspiration for the Incredicoaster. 50 pounds of glitter were needed to create the Incredicoaster's fire and force field effects. The new red paint on the coaster tubes is self-cleaning. All of the Incredicoaster murals were hand-painted. More than 50 tons of steel, 100,000 pounds were used to enclose the tubes on the Incredicoaster. Guests will also enjoy discovering hidden Mickeys in artworks throughout the Incredicoaster. So there you have it, there are some fun facts for the Incredicoaster. I do hope you liked the video. If you did, a thumbs up would be appreciated. If you are new to the channel, it'd be awesome if you subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button when new videos do come through. Other than that, as always, I do hope you have a wonderful day.